Okay, friends, hi! Now we're going to play the blending bingo game with 3 sound words. So I've spread out quite a few of the bingo cards that I printed out, and I'll be doing all of them for you at home. So if you're at home and you'd like to, you can spread out all your bingo cards. I just have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can just play along with me on the screen. Okay, let's begin. I spy a cat. Can you find the act? Cat. Hi, cat. I'm using pistachio shells again, but you can use anything. You can use cereal or anything you have at home. Gems, buttons, anything at all to use as your little markers. Okay, I spy a ox. Ox. Fox. Yes. I spy a sheep. Sheep. I spy a hat. Hat. Yes. Hat. And I have another hat too, don't I? At. And a third. At. I spy cake. Cake. I spy box. Box. I spy a bird. 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 I spy a goat. Goat. I spy a shark. 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 I spy a rope. Rope. I spy a sheep. Another one. Sheep. I spy a pig. Pig. I spy a girl. Girl. I spy a pot. 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 I spy a boot. Boot. I spy a mouse. Mouse. I spy corn. Corn. I spy a bug. 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 I spy a jet. Jet. I spy fan. Fan. I spy a boot. 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 spy bag. Bag. Bingo! I spy can. Can. I spy net. Net. I spy a boat. Boat. I spy ten. 10. I spy dig. Dig. I spy toys. Toys. Bingo! I got them all! Yay! You can play this at home with or without cards, and with or without your mom and dad. You can do it all by yourself if you'd like to. Have a good one. Bye, friends.